What's good, y'all boys? God, look at that beauty. Go ahead, open up the garage. And oh man, does it feel good to have this bit in the garage. Boy, let me tell you. This freaking beauty. Right now, he's about to go head up to this park. We about to meet up with London and my lady. I think London washing his car right now, but I know she is over there already, so I'll hurry up, get this bit started. And then we go ahead and get on the road, man. Time to get some flicks, cause boy, this shit is kind of dirty though. I might have to give her a little wipe down or something. I don't know, we'll figure it out. Some meat going on. It's like some M meat. I think it's like only like F chassis and G chassis, but I don't even think it's gonna be that many people, honestly. And we not even going for the meat. It's just what happened to be going on type shit. Fuck it, I'ma take. But yeah, I think it just be happening. Yo, my boy, nigga trying to get rented. Pause. Yeah, I don't even think it's gonna be nobody there for real. Like not many people at all. So we gonna see. But yeah, we really coming because we're gonna shoot some photos. My boy London is renting out. I don't know the exact process, you feel me? Don't quote me. But yeah, apparently he has a $3,000 lens, not camera, lens for the week. So my boy said we gotta get. Oh, shit! I think there goes some of them right there. Shit clean. Damn, you late for the meet? I don't know. But yeah, bro, like I said, he got a $3,000 lens for the week, bro. So we gotta get some flicks in. I'm really excited to see how this gonna go out. Cause I say my best photos are always with London, and shit, damn sure probably got the most expensive camera out of everybody that I've shot with. So we're gonna see how this goes. Hopefully, if it doesn't take too long to get the photos back, which I'm sure it won't, then I should clip them right here. But yeah, bro, I'm excited. And then I don't think I've shot at this spot before with him. Yeah, I don't think we shot at this spot before. Last time we did though, when I had my other car, I had my Genesis. So this is gonna be real special, real reminiscent. I come in here and then shoot him, it's like crazy to look back on, bro, cause last time we came, at least like to shoot pictures, like I said, I had my Genesis and he didn't even have his M yet. So it's just like real crazy to think about, bro. And then shit, when we get our supercars, you feel me? Y'all heard it here first. We gotta come back here. That shit would be a real crazy come up, I say. Crazy ass come up, bro. This junk is like so wavy, bro. Like if you were to take this shit, granted, like obviously you shouldn't be, but if you were to take this shit like anything over like 20 miles per hour, bro, you're taking flight, going straight through them hills. You gonna see the sky. But I was looking around the park a little bit. I don't know where the hell the rest of them M's at. So like I said, we seen those two, so I wouldn't say those are probably the only two, but shit, who knows, it might have been, because that's all I seen, bro. But London and my lady is here, so I'm gonna link up with them and get these flicks in. Look at that beauty. What you say to me, boy?
What the fuck?
What?
Where we going? What's happening?
You going over there?
Like where we always park?
Yeah.
On the side?
I came here a while ago. My car was blue too, but I was with another photographer, but he's pretty solid though. Something bright as shit. Nice little couple of shoot tight. Two different setups. I'm gonna post the other pictures right here, but this shit look good.
What?
I'm already knowing that jump been too damn long. Too damn long.
Courtesy cars ain't that bad either, though. I'm not gonna hold you. Shit.
Yo, imagine she got another V for the courtesy car. That'd be fine. Nah, facts. Trying to get like you.
Nah, for real. I'd be fresh, bro, if I'm driving some hoop deer like a fucking.
Oh, yeah?
I don't know, shit Impala or some shit.
But it's annoying when you have to share a fucking car, bro.
Hey, bro, you could not have a car at all.
That's
shit.
true. That's true.
Facts. Some always better than nothing. Always better than nothing.
Babe, stop moving.
What?
I'm using you as the sun, as my shade.
It's crazy. How we getting rollers? Your roller car not better than mine. That shit look too fire, bro. That's the only thing when she on these stock wheels, cause they 18s, bro, just dumped. I swear, if she got some spacers, she wouldn't need wheels for her. That shit look hard. Just murdered out. Too tough. Alright, we're gonna call it a day. Go ahead and head to the crib. Brad asked if he could get some flames, like if he get the picture. This is like a picture and a picture because it's off his camera, but yo, that looks crazy, bro. Oh my god. I've been needing flame pictures for the longest, and that boy did not disappoint. Holy shit. Look at that intake noise. Golly. Man, oh man, I miss hearing that turbo whistle, man. Shit sound like a damn truck, like a semi. What a day, even though it was just a couple hours. My goodness. Bro, I love shooting flames in this car. I wish I could do it more, bro, but I gotta let them turbos breathe just a little bit. Just a little bit. You're gonna see what else this weekend beholds. Hopefully I can get into a meet or something. Probably on Sunday, but probably tomorrow or Sunday we is definitely going to put this inside the garage and see what's up, because that damn if y'all don't know, this is what the Z sounds like right now. I'm not gonna start it up, but that shit sounds crazy, bro. So like I said, I don't know if I already said it in this video, but I'm hoping it should be one of these two things, which is between the timing chain or possibly rod knock. I'm praying it's not rod knock, but as y'all seen by that video, if y'all got any mechanical knowledge, more than likely might be rod knock. I'm hoping it's not, so I don't know. We're gonna pull it in the garage, we're gonna dump the oil. If we see any metal shavings, then GG's. But if not, then we should be good. So yeah, we're gonna see. And yeah, bro, shoot, what else we got planned? Oh shit, what is this? What is this? Is the Meister? Is this Mr. Work? Mr. Work himself? Nah, but got the Meisters back. It's still cooked though. God, they get it down. Yeah, bro. I just went ahead and picked them up from Ross because it's been like 3 months, and I still love them. But as you can see, they're in the same condition I dropped them off at, just no tires. So, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get some lips ordered. I just gotta measure the rears. I know what the fronts are, but I gotta measure what the rears are. But if y'all haven't seen it, as you can see, these lips are deep fried. So yeah, we need to get some new lips. Go ahead and try to get those orders soon, and then yeah, we'll take these off, put the new ones on, and then seal them. And then yeah, bro, try to get these tires, get these hoes back on, because boy do I miss these wheels so damn much, bro. So damn much. I've never sealed wheels before. Whether I'm gonna do them or not, I lucky don't know. Because even still though, I gotta get the lips, because these lips are clear coated and ceramic coated. So if you can see, like, I don't know if you can see it on these. Yeah, you can see like right there, that's the clear coat on them. It's almost like a PPF film. Soon, hopefully we get these back on the car. I'm gonna definitely get some better tires though, because we got the Firestones, the same thing that are on the Z stocks. Got them over here chilling in the cut, but yeah, bro, it is what it is. Hopefully we get these messages back soon. I just wanted to throw that in the video. I'm gonna go ahead and call it right here. Good video. I already recorded when we went to Homestead, so that'll be the next video. Y'all stay tuned for that. I'm actually editing that like right now. Just wanted to throw this in there. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. If y'all did, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe. Come on, y'all boys know the vibes. Marcos, out.